In this lecture, we will try to understand a very important concept in Java programming language, that is label. What is this label? First, let me explain what is label. Then we will try to understand this label with the help of simple Java program. I can say label is object. Let me write what is label. It is object. I can say label is a object. Even if you speak strictly, this label is component. It is a component for placing text. Label is a component for placing text in a container. What is this container? Container means I can say frame is a container. Even I can say container means applet is a container. Isn't it? If you applet is a container, frame is a container. If you speak strictly, a label object is a component for placing text in container like frame for the user to note. What is the benefit of this one? For the user to note. For the user to note. Isn't it? A label display, I can say, for example, let me explain. This username is label. This password is label. A label, I will repeat, a label object is a component for placing text in a container like frame for the user to note. A label displays single line of, I can say, a label displays a single line of read-only text. I can say that is read-only text. This point is important. This username is label. It is a read-only text. Password is label. It is read-only text. The text can be changed. A label displays a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by the application. This text can be changed by the application. By the application in the sense by the program. Through program only, through code. Application in the sense through code only I can change this one. Isn't it? Through code only I can change. But a user cannot edit it directly. User cannot edit it directly. User cannot edit it directly. You can change it by using code. Isn't it? Labels do not generate any events. They do not generate any events. What is events? I will discuss. Time being, just understand, they will not have listeners. They don't have any listeners, isn't it? I will discuss each and every point with a simple Java program. Let me repeat. A label object is a component for placing text in a container like a frame for the user to note. A label displays a single line of read-only text. The text can be changed by the application, means the text can be changed through the code, but a user cannot edit directly. Labels do not generate any events. Now we will try to understand few simple methods related to my program. Before discussing program, let me discuss few simple concepts. There is something like layout managers. What is layout manager? What is layout manager? I will discuss in my next class. Time being, just understand, in this particular program I am using a layout manager known as flow layout manager. In this program I will use this particular layout manager. A layout manager dictates the way of, this layout manager decides, this layout manager dictates, this dictates the way of, dictates the way of arranging components, arranging components. I will repeat. A layout manager dictates the way of arranging components. What are the components? Component means, I can say, labels is an example of component, and buttons. Button is also component. I will discuss all these components after 1 or 2 lectures. In a container like, frame. Now let me discuss few methods. There is a method known as get text method. This T is capital letter. There is a method known as get text method of label. Returns the string associated with label. Returns. What will it returns? It will returns the string associated with the label, Get alignment. Let me say get alignment. A is capital letter. Get alignment method returns alignment of the label. Returns alignment of the label. Returns alignment of the label. Left alignment is defined. I can say this left, L-E-F-T, left. Left alignment is defined as a constant whose value is 0. Center and right. There is something like center. C-E-N-T-R, center. What is its value? Its value is 1. Right, R-I-G-H-T, right, whose value is 2, isn't it? All these are defined in label class. These are constants which are defined in label class. Even though labels are aligned in the program, the effect is not seen much in this example. If the layout manager is border layout, we will see the labels at their respective alignment positions. Anyway, time being, just you need not bother about layout managers. I will discuss about layout managers in my next class. Time being, just understand this program. What it says: import space java.awt. What is AWT? Abstract window toolkit. We will try to understand. Nag5p15, this is my class name. Extends frame. This is my container. In frame only I can keep components. Isn't it? Of course, in applet also one can keep components. We will try to understand one by one. Label is my, I am create reference variables here. What are this? Label space lab1, lab2, lab3. What does it mean? What is the meaning of this one? You are creating. Which one you are creating? You are creating reference variables. Reference variables for visibility for whole class. We will try to understand this. What is this? This one is constructor. How do you know whether it is constructor or not? Just let me see. Let me see this one. Let me go to my main method. What is my main method? Public static void main string args. I am creating an object, new space, class name. Once if you create an object, automatically control will go to the constructor. Now I will come here. Set layout to new flow layout. As I discussed, I will discuss about layout managers in my next class. Time being, just understand I am using a layout known as flow layout. What is the intention of flow layout? This layout is used to keep components. It is used to keep components in a sequence. In a sequence means what? This particular flow layout is used to keep components one after the other in row wise. This is the intention of flow layout. This is useful to keep components in a sequence. That is, you can keep components one after the other in row wise. Yes, this is label space lab1. This is reference variable. Here I am creating object lab1 space new label. What does it mean? The instantiate each label. I am instantiating each label. The default, what name am I keeping here? I am keeping this is first label. This is the label name. Lab2 equal to, again I am instantiating each label. Lab2 equal new label. This is second label. Only, what does it mean? I am creating a label with the name. What is the name of this particular label? This is second label. Label dot center means that label I am keeping in center. Lab3 equal new label. Here I am creating labels. This is my first label. This is my second label. This is my third label. What is the difference? For first label, what am I doing here? I am keeping name of the label. This is first label. For second label, I am keeping name and also I am deciding its alignment. I am keeping it center. For third label, I am not keeping its name, even I am not specifying its alignment. Now just see, for label 3, I have not given for label 3, I have not given name. Now I am giving name. Set text is a method. This, with the help of this particular method, I can give the name for that particular label. This is third label, means for label 3, I am giving name. This is third label. Label 1, I have not assigned any alignment. Therefore, lab1 dot set alignment label dot left. I am giving alignment as left direction. Lab3 dot set alignment. Label 3, I am giving alignment as right. I am assigning alignment. Set alignment is useful to set the alignment. Set text is useful to set the text. Now, I have labels. Add method is useful for adding the labels. I am adding this label to my frame. First label I am adding, second label I am adding, third label I am adding. If you observe output carefully, just see how can I run this particular program. Just let me say like this. How can I run? It's simple. JAVAC space nog5p15.java. This is nog5p15. And this is not applet program. This is application program. That one must understand. How do you know whether it is application or applet? I have public static void main. Main means it exists in application program. How can I run compile program? JAVAC space nog5p15.java. How can I run this program? JAVA Java space nog5p15. Now what happens? Now what is the output? Set titles. Labels do not have any action. Just see, what is my title? Here I am getting title. Labels do not have any action. Isn't it? Set size 450 by 200. The size of the output window, the size is 450 by 200. What is set visible true? As you are setting visible true, therefore this output window is appearing. Add lab 1. What is the meaning of add lab 1? I am adding. What is my lab 1? What is lab 1 name? This is first label. Just see, this is first label. Add lab 2. Lab 2 is, what is the label? This is second label. This is second. Add lab 3. What is my lab 3? Lab 3 is just I am giving text. What is that? This is third label. This is third label. How am I adding all these labels? I am adding one after the other, one after the other. I am adding all these labels in sequential manner, in sequence manner. Well, how do you know how you are achieving this? By using this particular layout, flow layout. Flow layout is used to add the labels in sequential manner, in one after the other. You can add labels one after the other, isn't it? It is simple and straightforward. Now just see public void paint g dot drawstring, a 50 comma 100 position. This is 50 comma 100 position. In 50 comma 100 position, lab1 text, that's a message. Lab1 text I am keeping. Lab1 dot get text. What is my lab1 text? Lab1 text is, this is first label, this is first label. G dot drawstring lab1 alignment. Just see lab1 alignment. Get alignment, lab1 dot get alignment. What is lab1 alignment? Lab1 alignment is left. Left means it's a predefined constant whose value is 0. It is simple and straightforward program. Let me demonstrate this program so that we can understand this. Just let me go to command prompt. In my previous lecture, we were discussing about an applet program label demo.java. Just let me demonstrate that program. How can I run that applet program? Applet viewer label demo.java. This is the output of my previous program. Now what is my program? Here program is nog5p15, isn't it? Let me compile that program. What is Java? JAVS is Java compiler. How can I run this program? How can I run? Just see, this is simple and straightforward. JAVAC means now I must write JAVA space. What is this one? Let me run this one. Just see what output you are getting here. Just this is the output, isn't it? This is first label, this is second label, this is third label. Lab1 text first label, lab1 alignment 0. Labels do not have any action. Of course, even if you are trying to close, it's not getting closed because I am not implemented listeners to close that particular output window. Just go through this lecture. This lecture is simple and straightforward. If you have any difficulty, please keep a comment. Thank you very much.